Hey friends, if Intel HD graphics control panel is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. And then you will have to search for Intel HD graphics control panel. So we will search for it here. Okay, and then go to this option here and then click on Get and let it install on your system. The reason is that it's not installed on the system by default. So even if you search for it in the Windows search bar, you won't find it, but you can install it on your system using this option on the Microsoft Store. And once it is installed, you will be able to use the command center or the graphics control center. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.